Thanks for tuning up to A3K7. My name is Amit, and today we're going to learn about some textures. Now, in the previous video, you'll learn about materials, and so you can create, let's say, a red ball or a green cube or anything you want. But what if you wanted to create something like a cube made out of wood, or let's say a ball made out of stone, perhaps? Well, you can't really do that because they're not made out of a single color. That's when textures comes into play. So what is a texture? Well, texture is like an image that you can wrap on top of the object to make it look like it's made out of wood or stone or anything like that. So I'm going to quickly go over to Google and search for a, let's say, wooden texture, seamless, and I'm going to choose this flat texture. Now you're going to have to apply the texture on a, let's say I'm going to apply this texture on a cube to make it look like it's made out of wood, okay? So I'm going to quickly open up a Blender file, and I'm going to open up the shader editor on the right, and now we're going to have to press Shift A. I'm going to add in a texture and an image texture, and over here this is the open button. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to browse the file where I've downloaded the wooden texture. So quickly select that, and you're gonna have to plug the this color data to the base color, and yay, we have the cube made out of wood. However, you can see that it's not quite right yet. You can't see those small details and those little bumps and all that thing. That is because we need to apply a normal map. And what is a normal map? Well, normal map is basically like a bluish, pinkish, purplish kind of image or texture that tells Blender that where those small bumps should be. Unfortunately, if you're downloading texture from Google, then you won't get normal map by default. So we're going to use some other websites for downloading textures. Now I'm going to quickly go ahead and open up the Polygon website and go over to the free category, and I'm going to search. Well, I don't need to search because you can see that there's the wooden texture. I'm going to select that, and you can see that all the maps are checked by default. Yeah, I'm going to download all these maps, and just select the resolution of your texture over there, and don't go too low, okay, because we want some high quality render. 3K would be perfect for our need. So I'm going to select that and download. After downloading has been finished, just extract those files to anywhere you like. Now I'm going to quickly open up the Blender, and this time we're gonna have to add another image texture node and open up the normal map. Now you might be thinking that okay, we just need to plug this normal map into the normal over there, but it will not work like that, because we're gonna have to tell Blender that this is a normal map, and we're gonna do that by using a normal map node. So you're gonna have to press Shift A and add in a vector and a normal map. Put that inside of this so it'll be connected like that. You can see that it's kind of working, but still there's a glitch in the lighting. That is because we need to choose this color data to a non-colored data. Now I don't know why this is necessary, but this is how Blender works, okay? Now you can see that the image, the material is looking way nicer than with only the diffuse color. That's why normal map is really important. Now remember, we have downloaded some other textures as well, like the roughness map and the reflection or anything like that. I don't know what that was. So what is the roughness map does? Well, the roughness map will determine the roughness of the material. In the previous video, we've learned that if we make a value of 1 in the roughness, then the material would be completely rough, and if you use value 0, then the material would be reflective. So if we plug in a roughness map, then the white portion of the roughness map means that that portion of the material would be completely rough, and the black means that this portion would be reflective. Yeah, quite easy, right? So you're gonna add another image texture, then choose the roughness map and plug it on the roughness category for creating more realistic results. So now you can create a table just by scaling down the cube on the z-axis. However, there will be a glitch. I mean, not a glitch, but a texture stretching. And to fix that, we're gonna have to learn about UV unwrapping. And that's gonna be the topic of our next video. Till then, play with some different materials and create anything you'd like. And see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.